Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to BrittElisabeth Yoga. I'm Britt and I'm going to be guiding you through your practice here today to find strength, balance, inner peace, and inner knowing of the self. So let's go ahead and get started. Grab your mat and I'll meet you there. Hey there, welcome back. Today we're going to be breaking down the pose upward facing dog. To start, we'll go ahead and come into our tabletop position. So finding those shoulders stacking over the wrists, finding the hips stacking over the knees, allowing the palms to root into the mat. And then from here, we'll start to come into our stretch of our leg. Stretching that right leg out, stretching the left leg out, dropping the knees down to the earth, untucking the toes. We'll start to let the hips come down towards the mat. And then on your inhale, allowing to press the tops of the feet into the mat, engaging the core, allowing the shoulders to draw a wave down from the ears, letting the chin tuck in towards the heart, allowing the spine to stay and find length. And on your next exhale, release down, letting the hips sink back towards the heels, coming into child's pose. Taking a moment to notice where the breath is moving towards, where it wants to send its medicine to. Maybe that's a sensation along the wrist, the arm, the neck, the back, maybe the thighs or the feet. Take a moment to dial into that energy and see where that's living for you today. And when you're ready, we'll start to gently roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming into a seated posture, finding length. So here we broke down our upward facing dog. Our base is going to be our hands rooting down into the mat, our feet on the top, lifting us up on our inhale, pressing into the tops of our feet is our nether base. We're engaging the midsection here, really pulling in the core for strength. And then we're also keeping the engagement in our shoulders, lifting up and protracting out. So that way we're not dumping in and creating kind of like a concave situation where our neck, shoulders, back area can start to possibly find some uneasiness. So we want to make sure that we're pushing up and out of the mat and out of the shoulders rather than diving and caving in. And then we're keeping our chin close to our heart, our chest, so we can keep that activation of our full spine erected up in our downward facing or in our upward facing dog. And from there, it's engaging our arms, our shoulders, our core. So really building a lot of muscle strength in the specific area. So we'll continue to build on, break down some new postures. So go ahead and build this into your practice, your daily practice. Take some time, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes out of your day, just to sit with this one as a continuous movement for the body and making sure that you're always coming back into our resting postures. So our resting posture for our upward facing dog is going to be our child's pose. So kind of just coming back into yourself to allow that lower back to come back into a non-restrictive space. So join me for next time in the next video where we'll break down some more poses, continue this flow, and eventually building into a flow that we can continuously move through together. It was a pleasure guiding you through practice. Till next time. Thank you for sharing your practice here with me today. Remember that bringing yourself back to your true self, bringing that awareness back, is an ongoing practice. And with each step, you'll get closer to coming back to your true self. If you liked today's session, please like, comment, subscribe, give feedback. Want to connect, look at my handles, Instagram and Facebook, and continue to follow for some new flows dedicated to different specific things and just general mindfulness practices. And until next time, may you know peace, may you find peace, and may you be peace. I vow to honor you.